السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته مدة مسلمين تأه من كستو الدنيا تعالى ذي كتشوكتان وأنيقا أو تشوغا هل كانوا كفرناي إسكاشات هذا co-operative انتظر شبان أفاملية دا أنا فرناي ما شاء الله هل كسين سبريغو قاضي تضباطا سديتن أنا وحنو بحنا العقير إسكاشات ما كفتو إسكاشات هانو سميساني co-operative. This is Casey, one of my best friends in the world. We work together, and she's part of the cooperative in my area. So today we are distributing for the families the food. So Casey is showing us few tips of healthy eating. Casey.
Okay, so here is the food that you guys have ordered this week for the co-op. We will take a couple of carrots. Take a couple of potatoes. An onion. An aubergine. Different things with this. So one of the things
that's a meal, yeah.
That's a meal, yeah. So one of the things you can make is a vegetable curry.
Vegetable curry.
Yeah. So
that's
you get
good.
Your seasoning.
Without meat.
You get some tomatoes. And nice and healthy. You've got your vegetables in here as well. Equally, we can take away the potato. Make something similar. You could make a vegetable pasta sauce. Or you could make a vegetable lasagna.
That's good.
Take this away. Along with these. This here with some water. This will make into a soup.
A soup.
Cut it all up nice and small. Some herbs, some stock cubes, vegetable soup. So that's 3 meals so far that can be made with all of this food here. One more thing that's my favourite to make. Red onion. Carrots. Cabbage.
Oh, I love cabbage.
Grate them all up. Mix them together with some mayonnaise. Coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Right, so now
that's what I'm going to do today.
We're going to get on to the good food. The good food. Right. So, you've got a watermelon, which I'm not going to attempt to pick up because it's going to be too heavy and I'll probably drop it. Take half the watermelon. Few apples, couple of pears, chop them up, mix them together, little squeeze of lemon juice, fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Another option here.
Fruit salad is the, okay.
You've got,
that's what we are going to do next Monday, yeah?
You've got bananas. You've got flour.
Banana and flour. Cake. Banana and flour.
Nice and simple. Simple recipe.
Again, that's a cake.
Make a salad.
Cake,
You could take the salad. You could take the onion. Take the tomato. And again, you can grate the carrot. Nice healthy salad to go on the side. So if you join us in 2 weeks' time, we will be making some of these recipes for you guys. And
yes, me and Casey are doing in this center, the community kitchen.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Yeah, this is aubergine, courgette, cucumber, more melon. Today we have lovely food for our community in my area. Everyone who live in UK, they can make this kind of cooperative. It's a sustainability for families who have low income. Instead of going the shopping for the big supermarkets, they can have like this. We are not only Somalians. We have different community, Asian, white, everyone. So this is what we do. So instead of going to the supermarket, we come here, the community center, and every family has enough for a week or more than a week, and you can do in your area as well.
So, is this lady coming later?
This is garlic, watonti, mashallah, very important. Potatoes, ما شاء الله كويس إلو ما شاء الله وسمر خضرة وابحضي ما شاء الله قفكي دوني إنو سميستو UK meel kasta kaga nool sidan oo kale hana la soo xiriiro insha Allah وبالله توفيق. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.